So if you write all these integers in the descending order, first you should write 2, which is greater than -3, greater than -4, which is greater than -5. Now the next question, write the following integers in descending order. So descending order means the biggest integer to the smallest integer. So we can write biggest to smallest. Now the first question, -2, -3, -5. So the three integers are given and the three integers are the negative integers. Then what is the descending order? Means which is the biggest integer among these three integers? So descending order, so your -2 is the biggest integer because it lies right on the number line. So when you represent -2, -3, -5, so in this -2 is the biggest, it lies right side to the given other integer, so -2 is the biggest. Then next -3, then -5. So here -2 is greater than -3 and -3 is greater than -5. So if you write all these integers in the ascending order, so then we get -5 smaller than -3 smaller than -2. And the next question, -8, -2 and -1. So here we mark -8, -2 and -1. So among all these three integers, which is the biggest one? So which lies right side to the other integers, that is -1. So we can write -1 is the biggest one. Which is greater than the next -2, which is greater than -8. And if you write all these three integers in the ascending order, so your -8 is less than -2 is less than -1. The next third question, 5, 8, -2. So let us mark these integers on the number line 5, 8 and -2. Now among these three integers, which is on the extreme right, so that is 8. So here 8 is the biggest one, then 5. So here 8 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than -2. Eight is greater than 5, which is greater than -2. And if you write these numbers in the ascending order also, then we get so if you write all these three integers in the ascending order, we get -2 less than 5 less than 8. So we can arrange any given integers either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Now let us see the next question. The temperatures of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. So on the number line, the temperatures of 5 cities are shown. Now the temperature of Kasauli is -9 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Manali is -6, -7, so -7 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Nainital is -1, -2, -3, so this is -3 degrees centigrade, so this is -7 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Kasauli is -9 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Ooty, so that is 15 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Bangalore is 20 degrees centigrade. So first question is, write the temperature of cities marked on the number line. So in the first column we will take city, the second column we take temperature. Now the first city, that is Kasauli. The temperature of Kasauli is -9 degrees centigrade, and the next temperature of Manali, so that is -7 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Nainital is -3 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Ooty, so that is 15 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Bangalore, and it is given that 20 degrees centigrade. So these are the temperatures of the 5 cities given on the number line. Now let us take the next question. Which city has the lowest temperature? So which city has the lowest temperature? So if you observe on the number line, the city which lies on the extreme left on the number line, so that city has the lowest temperature, so that is Kasauli. So its temperature is -9 degrees centigrade. So the answer is and the third question, which city has the highest temperature? So on the number line, if you observe the Bangalore city, its temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. So it is on the extreme right city on the number line. So the Bangalore city has the highest temperature. Now name the cities. Next question, name the cities which have the temperature less than 0 degrees centigrade and more than 0 degrees centigrade. So what are the cities which have the temperature less than 0 degrees centigrade and the temperature which have the more than 0 degrees centigrade? So what are the cities? Now if you observe on the number line, the 3 cities Kasauli, Manali and Nainital, so these are the 3 cities which lie left side to 0. So then these 3 cities have the temperature less than 0 degrees centigrade. And what are the cities which have the temperature more than 0 degrees centigrade? So on the number line, the cities Ooty and Bangalore, so these 2 cities lie right side to 0. So their temperatures 15 degrees centigrade, and 20 degrees centigrade. So these two temperatures are more than 0 degrees centigrade. So these two are the cities which have the temperature more than 0 degrees centigrade. So we can write Kasauli, Manali and Nainital. And the temperatures and the cities which have the temperature more than 0 degrees centigrade are Ooty and Bangalore. Now let us discuss operations of integers. So operations of integers means the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we have already completed the addition and subtraction in earlier classes. Now we will revise once again the operations such as addition and subtraction, then we will go for the multiplication and division. So on the operations of integers, so first we will take addition. Addition of integers. Now when you add two positive integers such as 5 plus 3 equals to, we get 8, then 5 plus 2 equals to 7, then 5 plus 1 equals to 6, 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Then when you decrease the number which is being added by 1, so here the number being added decreased by 1, then the value of the sum also goes down by 1. Now 5 plus of, again when you decrease 0 by 1, then we get minus 1. So this equals to, when you decrease 5 by 1, then the result will go down to 4. Then 5 plus of minus 2 equals to, so here also the number being added is decreased by 1. So then even the value of the sum also decreased by 1, then we get 3, and 5 plus of minus 3 equals to 2, and 5 plus of minus 4 equals to 1. Now when the number being added is decreased by 1, then the value of the sum also decreased by 1. Now let us see the same addition of integers. So up to 5 plus 1 equals to 6, the two positive integers are added, and here 5 plus 0, a positive integer is added to 0, and from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, then a positive integer is added to the negative integer. Then you will see the same addition case on the number line. So on the number line middle we will take 0, then right side to 0. So we take all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and left side to 0 we take negative integers such as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Now let us check the integer 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So when you take 5, so first 0 to 5, so from 5 then adding 2, so 5 plus 2, 1, 2, so this is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So when you add a positive integer, then we move right on the number line, and if you take a positive integer and a negative integer, then 5 plus of minus 2, first 0 to 5, then minus 2. So what is the result of when minus 2 is added to 5? The result is 3. So then to reach 3, then we should move left. So 1, 2. So this is minus 2. So when you add a negative integer, then we move left on the number line. So when you add a positive integer, then we move right on the number line. And when you add a negative integer, then we move left on the number line. So then we get 5 plus of minus 2 equals to 3. So we can write the property that each time you add a positive integer, you move right on the number line. Then each time you add a negative integer, you move left on the number line. So when you add a positive integer, then we move right on the number line, and when you add a negative integer, so we can move left on the number line. We should move left on the number line. Then if two integers are added, then what is the sum? Is the sum greater than each of the two integers? For example, when 5 plus 2 equals to 7, in this case the sum 7 is greater than each of the two integers 5 and 2. But is it always true? Is it always true for any two integers? Now let us see. 5 plus of minus 3 equals to 2. Here 5 and minus 3 are any two integers. Their sum is 2. But here 2 is less than 5 and 2 is less than and 2 is greater than minus 3. But we can say that when two integers are added, the sum is not always greater than the two integers. It may be greater than any integer, or it may be less than the two integers. So in this case, 5 plus of minus 4 equals to 1. So when 5 and minus 4 are added, then the sum is 1. So here 1 is less than 5, but 1 is greater than minus 4. Now let us represent the following additions on the number line. So represent the following additions on the number line.